हे गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशंस के टॉप 50 एमसीक्यूज। अगर आप किसी भी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहने वाली है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट्स इज अ डैश प्रोग्राम। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्रेजेंटेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द पावर पॉइंट्स programs was created by dash. Right answer is option D, Roberts, Gaskins and Dennis Austin. Next question. In Windows operating systems, PowerPoints was offered in dash. Right answer is option B, 1990s. Next question. What is the default file name of a PowerPoint file? Right answer is option C, presentations 1. Next question. What is the file extensions of PowerPoint's file? Right answer is option D, PPTX. Next question. What is the shortcut key to insert a new slides in PowerPoint? Right answer is Control plus N. Next question. What is the shortcut key to delete the current slides in PowerPoint? Right answer is option D, both A and B part. Next question. A PowerPoint's dash is a patterns or blueprints of a slides or groups of slides. Right answer is option D, template. Next question. A PowerPoint's templates is saved as dash file. Right answer is option B part. Next question. The shortcut key to close PowerPoint. Right answer is Control plus Q. Next question. How can you stop a slideshow dash? Right answer is press escape. Next question. PowerPoint presentations are widely used as dash. Right answer is option D, all of these. Next question. Which of the following spans is not available in Task Pane dash? Right answer is option B, word art. Next question. Dash controls all the main slides control task for your presentation. Right answer is option B, Task Pane. Next question. A new presentations can be created from dash. Right answer is all of these. Next question. To selected designs, templates can be applied dash. Right answer is option D, all of these. Next question. To open the existing presentations, press dash. Right answer is option D, Control plus O. Next question. From which menu you can insert pictures, text box, charts, dash? Right answer is insert. Next question. What are the three options available in insert tab? Right answer is pictures, shapes, photo album. Next question. Which of the following is not a slides designs dash? Right answer is option D, animation scheme. Next question. To insert a hyperlinks in a slides dash. Right answer is option D, both A and B part. Next question. What is slides transactions? Right answer is a special effect used to introduce a slides in a slideshow. Next question. If you select insert pictures dash, right answer is you can insert pictures only. Next question. Which file formats can be added to a PowerPoint show dash? Right answer is all of these. Next question. What is motion's path? Right answer is a method of moving items on a slide. Next question. The screen's recordings options is available in the dash menu. Right answer is both A and B part. Next question. The keyboard shortcut for showing or hiding the grids in a presentation. Right answer is Shift plus F9. Next question. Which is the shortcut key to start the presentations in presenter's view? Right answer is Alt plus F5. Next question. The keyboard shortcuts to stop media playback. Right answer is Alt plus Q. Next question. The keyboard shortcut to show hides inks markup. Right answer is Control plus M. Next question. Dash is a presentations program. Right answer is MS PowerPoint. Next question. Which is not the valid editions of MS PowerPoint? Right answer is MS PowerPoint's 1920s. Next question. What is the default PowerPoint standards layout? Right answer is title slide. Next question. To center the selected text, the shortcut key is dash. Right answer is Control plus E. Next question. Which types of views is not present in MS PowerPoint? Right answer is extremes animation. Next question. Which features is not in MS PowerPoint? Right answer is scan a virus. Next question. To make the selected text italics, the shortcut key is. Right answer is Control plus I. Next question. To delete the selected text, press. Right answer is options A, delete. Next question. Press dash to delete one word to the right. Right answer is Control plus delete. Next question. MS PowerPoint is software of dash. Right answer is Microsoft. Next question. Which is the presentations processing software? Right answer is MS PowerPoint 2007. Next question. Which is the right terms of presentations page? Right answer is slides. Next question. The maximum zoom percentage in MS PowerPoint is. Right answer is 500%. Next question. Which terms is not related with font? Right answer is font grammar. Next question. Press dash to start presentations from the beginning. Right answer is F5. Next question. Microsoft Office is dash. Right answer is an application suite. Next question. The minimum zoom size in MS PowerPoint is dash. Right answer is 10%. Next question. Which key on the keyboards can be used to view slideshow? Right answer is F5. Next question. Press dash to end a presentation. Right answer is escape. Next question. Slideshow is a feature of dash. राइट आंसर इज MS PowerPoint। अगर अभी तक हमारी वीडियोस आपको अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें। थैंक यू।